we got the know-how. Cooking good and healthy now. Delia and Trisha show the way. Tune in for a brighter day.
This low-carb mama is sick, so I'm gonna make the viral Italian penicillin soup, but I'm gonna use cauli rice. That way it's low-carb. So here we go. I've never made this before, so we're gonna make it together. First, I'm going to clean my celery, which I did, and I'm going to peel my carrot. I don't know how many to use. I'm just gonna guess that 4 or 5 will be fine. I've got garlic and onion. It doesn't have to be organic. It could be whatever you have. We're gonna blend it anyway, so it doesn't have to be pretty. And then we're gonna add some chicken broth. I have bone broth. Doesn't have to be organic or bone broth. It could be chicken stock. And then I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up in big chunks and just throw them in my pot. And some onions too. Just pop it in. These are smaller onions. I've seen people use a large onion. I'm going to use 3 small onions. No need to dice them. Just peel them and throw them in. I've got some garlic. Putting the cloves in. Okay, I've added all the garlic. That took a minute to do. And now I'm going to do my celery. Just big chunks. And you just throw them in. Okay, and just throw them in the pot. So here's what we have: garlic, onion, celery, and carrots. And then I'm using this. I'm going to sprinkle pepper. Salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and about 2 bay leaves. I did add about 3 cups of water. Make sure that you can stick your fork in it, and then you know that it's ready. Let's see, it's ready. And then you want to put it in your blender. So I have a blender here. So 1 cup of the broth, maybe 2 cups. And then strain it. Put all of that in there. Oh, and then enjoy your food.
Low carb, we got the know-how. Cooking good and healthy now. Delia and Trisha show the way. Tune in for a brighter day.